Connects us together. Your Excellencies, showcasing our culture, that's the deal. Diaspora dreams in a vibrant space. Ginger Media TV, sets in the place. Join the journey. It's a vibrant ride. Ginger Media TV, we start with pride. Ginger Media TV, African stories and catchy designs. News and entertainment at your fingertips. For the pulse of the people, stay true to our faith. For the pulse of the people, stay true to our clips. To our clips. Stay true to our clips. So subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Ginger Media, your life is sweet. Your Excellencies, time is fast spent. In the heart of the city where stories unfold. News from the corners of the globe connects us together, no matter the road. Cultures rise, hear the voices roar. Unity and diversity, together we soar. Ginger Media TV, where the world aligns. African stories and catchy designs. News and entertainment at your fingertips. With the pulse of the people, stay tuned to our clips. From entertainment to the news that's real. Showcasing our culture, that's the deal. Diaspora dreams in a vibrant space. Ginger Media TV, setting the pace. Join the journey, it's a vibrant ride. Ginger Media TV, we stand with pride. Ginger Media TV, where the world aligns. African stories and catchy designs. News and entertainment at your fingertips. With the pulse of the people, stay tuned to our clips. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. With Ginger Media, your life feels sweet. Ginger Media TV, where the world aligns. African stories and catchy designs. News and entertainment at your fingertips. With the pulse of the people, stay tuned to our clips. To our clips. Stay tuned to our clips. So subscribe today, don't miss a beat. With Ginger Media, your life feels sweet. Ooh.